Thanks for stopping by at Twisted Art Designs. I want to show you something that's going into the shop today. This is a Christmas journal made from a book, and I altered the book and created a wonderful Christmas journal, and I'm putting it up for sale in the shop. It's filled with really fun stuff. You can journal about Christmas, your different Christmases, and I hope somebody will purchase this and enjoy it and treasure it. So on the outside, there are these pieces that are sewn and embossed with gold, and then there's gold paint over it. So there's the North Stars, keys, this beautiful piece on the front, and then hanging from it is a nutcracker and some Christmas beading. And then the end is corrugated cardboard, and the back is textured also with brick texture and stars and keys. So it's really pretty outside. And then let's take a peek inside. On the front is this textured Christmas tree too. It's really cute. Okay, so let's get started. On the inside of the book, on the front cover and the back cover, I used, this came out of a book that had an Advent. So there's actually a Christmas Advent that is 1 through 25 on the front and the back of the book. So here's the Advent numbers, and it just makes it kind of fun to have that Advent in there. There's a Christmas pocket that has a fold-out tag that has pop-up poinsettias in it. And this is material, Christmas material. And then there's so many places in here where you can journal. Lots of images that came from books, lots of Christmas paper, scrapbook paper, cards, things that came off of greeting cards. There's a lot of great tags. Here is the Holly Fairy, a really cute round embossed tag. Tags like this that have Christmas angels, and you can journal on the back. It's lined. This is a vellum pocket with poinsettia, and then I stitched it by hand with embroidery floss to make a beautiful pocket. And this is just the back side of that vellum. Cool places to journal. This is a lace pocket. I love the background on that, the old vintage Santa. And then this page has got lots of fun places to journal. This is a double pocket, so there's a pocket here and a pocket here, so lots of places to tuck things. Journaling you can do here. There's 'Tis the Season to be Loving, Jolly, and Giving. Things that I love about winter and a place to journal for that. There's a saying about winter. And then on Dasher, on Dancer, on Prancer, on Vixen, on Comet, and Cupid, and Donner, and Blitzen. And Santa in his sleigh. A cute pocket with a tag that pulls out. Some Christmas mousse. This is from an old book, and it's the Christmas song. And then this is a cute vintage Christmas, like Victorian Christmas pocket. And you can put things in it, and it goes behind this pocket that was made from antique lace that was made by my great-grandmother. This page is pockets, and it was folded and made out of wrapping paper. There's a vellum pocket. Santa coming out of a rooftop. There's vintage Christmas images in here and Christmas sayings. This is a pocket, I think, on the end. Actually, no, it's not. Oh, it's a pocket right here. So there's journaling paper in here. And then vintage Christmas saying here. Vellum that's got pine needles on it. More paper that you can pull out and journal on, and more vintage Christmas. This pocket was sewn. Again, more of that lace that was my great-grandmother's. And then this. with the words "To hark the herald angels sing" on this beautiful tag that you can journal on. And that's a double pocket. This cute belly band has a tag that comes out, and when you pull it out, you see the image, My Christmas Day, underneath. And then this cute tag slips in that clear pocket. And it says Believe on it. And then there's a round vintage scene, Christmas scene, and a journaling spot. Lots of great journaling spots in here. And here's some more Christmas animals, a little tiny tag in a pocket. And then the words "To God rest ye merry gentlemen," and then this opens, and there's carolers, here we come, a caroling. And then on the end here are tags that pull out. Place to journal. Another pocket, vellum pocket, that I sewed with embroidery floss to create the vellum pocket. And this is a pretty snowflake page. Place to journal. Here's a cute, this is a cute page, and it's got this beautiful angel card in it with a Christmas angel. And then this really pretty pocket that is like a laser cut, die cut. That's a cute page. You got a little mouse grabbing a cookie. And then these pretty stickers. The other side of that beautiful pocket. This is from a gift card thing, and it's Velcro. So you can open it and put something cute in there. This is a pocket, flip-up pocket here. Cute pages to journal on, and that's cut out at the top. A lace pocket here. That's a really pretty page with lace. Lots of pretty images. Paper that's been edged. The 12 Days of Christmas. Cute vintage saying from 1904. I love that old Santa. The belly band pocket. The manger scene with the holy manger. Another pocket with lace. This is Blessings journal spot, and that's a pocket. That's a pocket. And this is a cute one. It came from Christmas paper and some candy cane die cuts. This is from a book, and it folds out so you can journal inside it. Here's a cute tag in a pocket. A tag in a pocket. Here's a Christmas stocking and a wood-burning stove. I tried to use really unique and interesting papers and images throughout the book. Here's some Christmas music, some music sheets. We wish you a Merry Christmas. Cute pocket with a tag. The other part of the fold out. Another pocket page with a cute tags. Look at these cute tags. That's a paper bag envelope. And this was from a greeting card class that I used to teach years back. This is a vintage saying from 1882. And the back part of that Advent. And that's it. So it's a beautiful book. I hope you like it. The inside is covered in material, Christmas material, and then the Advents on it. So it's really beautiful, and I hope that someone gives this a home and cherishes it and fills it with their Christmas memories. So I'm going to put this in the shop for sale today, and there's only one. It's one of a kind. So go check it out. Thanks for stopping by. Go make some art, because art soothes the heart.